Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Once more, we have a very exciting giveaway for all of you. We have the smartphone UMIDIGI A1 Pro. The giveaway will be from the 25th today to the 28th of April this year. That's 2018 of the Common Era. Watch the video, know more about the smartphone, and good luck to win. Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you the UMIDIGI A1 Pro. It's a new smartphone from UMIDIGI, and besides looking very good and having nice specs, it comes with Android 8 as well. Let's find out more about it right now. 5.5-inch HD display, Android 8 Oreo, MediaTek CPU quad-core, clocking in at 1.5 GHz, 3 GB of RAM plus 16 GB of storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB with a micro SD card. 5-megapixel front camera and dual camera in the rear, 13 plus 5 megapixel. Charging port Type-C, USB, volume and power and lock button. Thickness 0.85 centimeters. Phone case included in the package.